I'm Drew Binsky, and today I'm going to introduce you to the wild world of Bangkok's traffic.
Bangkok, Thailand, a city that's known for its Buddhist temples, night markets.
As you can see behind me, it's really crowded. There's lots of people here.
Shopping malls and street food. But also a city that's overpopulated, chaotic, and congested, containing some of the world's worst traffic.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the main roads of Bangkok are slammed with traffic jams.
Gridlock streets of buses, cars, tuk-tuks, motorbikes, bicycles, and pedestrians, all battling their way to scoot by. A new study by the World Health Organization ranked Thailand as the world's second deadliest country in death rates by road accidents.
In 2017 alone, more than 27,000 people, or 73 bodies per day, passed away in car accidents.
Why is traffic so extreme in Bangkok? A large part of this mess is because drivers do not follow the rules. They cut people off, switch lanes unexpectedly, talk on their phones, run red lights, and blatantly block intersections. Many of these flagrant drivers are on motorbikes. 5 people on that bike, which might explain for so many deaths. There seems to be as many motorbikes as cars on the road, zooming through kilometers of long queues. Whenever you see a motorbike driver wearing an orange vest, he's a taxi driver who will take you anywhere for cheap. But they almost never give you helmets, and it's like the world's scariest roller coaster to ride on one.
And when they're cutting through these cars, it's really dangerous because if a car opens their door, they're gonna whack you.
On the positive side, Bangkok's crazy roads can be avoided by either taking the overground BTS or underground MRT system.
But if you think rush hour only exists on the streets, then think again.
Doors are closing.
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world. It's electric, it's sexy, it's tasty, it's confusing, but above all, it's futuristic. The Japanese are innovators. They somehow figured